Welcome back, my dear learners. Glowing Star, are you ready for something exciting? Today, we're going to learn something new, but this time in a super easy and enjoyable way. Rocket, you're going to love this video because we'll be describing a fascinating picture. And trust me, it's not just fun. It will also add to your knowledge. The picture description method is very simple. Just look, understand, and learn. In this video, we'll explore a room scene where every little detail tells a unique story. And believe me, by the time you finish watching this video, you'll discover how pictures can help you improve your English skills effortlessly. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Take a look at this picture. What do you see? A boy studying? A father relaxing? Or maybe a playful child having the time of their life? Each corner of this room tells a story. And today, you are the detective uncovering those stories. Let's explore this picture step by step and uncover the stories hidden within. The central figure is Daniel, the older son. Daniel is sitting on a wooden chair. He is focused and studying hard. Why is he studying? He is preparing for his exam. In front of him is a sturdy wooden table. On the table are books neatly arranged. The books are open, showing Daniel's dedication. Daniel is not just any student. He is smart and disciplined. He does not stay up late cramming. Instead, he studies to understand. He clears his concepts carefully. That is why he always gets the first position in his class. Let's take another look at Daniel. He is sitting upright on the chair. His eyes are glued to the books. He is determined and working hard. This is what makes him stand out. Now, let's shift our attention to another important figure in this cozy room. The father. The father is sitting comfortably on a soft sofa. He looks relaxed and calm. In his hands, he holds a newspaper. The newspaper is wide open, covering most of his view. He is reading it intently, soaking in the latest news. His posture shows he is at ease, leaning back slightly, one leg crossed over the other. The sofa he sits on is plush and inviting, adding to the peaceful vibe of the room. This moment tells us something special about the father. He is not just reading for himself. He is setting an example. By staying informed and taking time to relax, he shows the importance of balance in life. Work hard, but also take time to unwind. Let's look again at the father. He is sitting on the sofa. He is reading the newspaper. His face is calm, and his body language says he is enjoying this quiet time. Even in a busy household, he has found his own little corner of peace. Now, let's turn our attention to the youngest member of this family, the baby. The baby is sitting on the floor, surrounded by toys. He looks happy and full of energy. In front of him is a colorful toy car. Next to it is a bright red ball. The baby is playing with his toys, lost in his own little world. His tiny hands move the car back and forth. He rolls the ball gently, watching it with wide, curious eyes. Every movement brings him joy, and his laughter fills the room. This moment reminds us of the beauty of childhood. For the baby, even the simplest things like a car and a ball are magical. He doesn't need anything fancy to be happy. Just a little space, some toys, and his imagination are enough. Let's look again at the baby. He is sitting on the floor. He is playing with a toy car and a ball. His face is glowing with happiness. He is enjoying every second of the sunny day. Now, let's take one last look at this cozy room. This is a warm and peaceful space. It has a wooden study table, a soft sofa, and a carpeted floor. The lighting is soft, filling the room with a calming glow. Every corner of this room tells a story of learning, relaxation, and play. The older son is studying hard for his exam. The father is reading the newspaper, staying informed and relaxed. The baby is playing happily, lost in his own little world. Together, they create a perfect balance of activities that make this room feel alive. This scene reminds us of something important. Life is all about balance. Whether you're working hard like Daniel, taking time to relax like the father, or enjoying simple joys like the baby, every moment matters. Find your own rhythm. Stay focused on your goals, and don't forget to enjoy the little things along the way. And remember, just like this family, you too can create your own cozy room, a place where you learn, grow, and find happiness. Before we end, here's a quick question for you. What did you like most about this picture? Was it Daniel's focus, the father's calmness, or the baby's joy? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up, raising hands. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and join our growing family at English Tales. We'll keep bringing you fun, easy, and educational content to help you improve your English skills while having a great time. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.